Hello stock traders, I hope all of you had a great day, and in today's video I'm going to give you two stocks that I really like that are showing some different buy signals and some reasons to buy, and we're going to cover those later on in this video. But before we get going, if you could do me a favor and please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. Now, as we've been going through this market in 2022 and 2023, it has definitely been shown to us as traders that it's not easy. This has been a very difficult year and a half, and those that have bought the dip and have averaged into positions and averaged in at the right times are being the most successful right now in the overall marketplace. If you think that the stock market is a get-rich-quick scheme that you can make lots of money and chase just random people to follow stocks that impulsively move up, well, I can tell you that that is not a good strategy. It is much better to have a strategy, to have a reason why you're going into anything that you decide to buy. So you have reasons for entry, reasons for exit, and you follow your rules. You have rules, you have them set up, you write them down, you put them in a playbook. There are lots of things that you need to take those things that you've been successful in trading and use them over and over again. All right, well, let's get into it. Let's start talking about the market. We are stuck in this crazy range. Let's start by talking about the SPY ETF. So here we go. We continue to be at 414 resistance with 411 as support. This is on the SPY ETF. And so these are the levels that you need to watch. If we break out of 414, we are most likely looking for a big move upwards. Down below 411, we are probably going to see 407 level, and then maybe down here eventually to 395 at our 200-day EMA. And so these are the levels to really pay attention to going into Tuesday's market day. All right, so let's get in and talk about a couple of these stocks. You can see the VIX, covering the VIX again. It is not elevated by any means. There's not a lot of fear in the market, even though there is, you would think there would be. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. You know, everyone's expecting the market to go down. It's hard for the stock market to go down when everyone's expecting it to go down. Typically, it happens and we see market crashes when people aren't expecting it. All right, so let's get into this first stock I want to talk about today. And this first one is Trinity Capital Incorporated, ticker symbol TRIN. Now, this is part of my long-term dividend strategy. I like it because of its very high yield. I also like it because it has had insider activity in the past. We have officers that have been buying shares of this. There hasn't been any insider activity lately, but I like it in that that's been happening. It is a huge dividend player. As you can see right here, if you can zoom in here, and you can see that 16.28% dividend yield. Are you kidding me? That is real. And so what I like to do with these is I like to reinvest my dividends when I go in on an order, and then I will just average and I will pick a level of support and I will buy at these levels of support. And here is my level of support line. You can see it right here at 1137. And again, we are at that level. And so this is a great time to load up. Anything under 1150, I think, is a phenomenal deal in this stock to hold long term. So you buy a little here, you buy more here, buy more here, buy more here, buy more here. And you just average in day by day as it hits this level. Bought more today on this one. And this one continues to hit this level. And then nice little spikes. You know, if you get sell signals or different levels of resistance, then that is a great place to sell. And you can make money on this over and over again as it moves up and down, and also earn a 14% dividend. So I like this stock because of insider activity and because of the high yield and how it seems to have a lot of support right at the $11.30 to 30-50 cent range, right into 11.5. All right, let's get into the next one. The next one is ticker symbol NVTA. This is NVTA Corporation, and this is a stock that ARK Invest really likes. And now they haven't had any buys on this lately, but this is something that is within the ARK-K ETF. This is something that's been bought over and over again. And it's highly unusual to see an ETF, whether it be an active one or whatever, to buy any stock that is under $5. Typically, they stay away from a stock like that. So I don't know if they were in this before when it was at that. I do pay attention to those buys, but I don't remember seeing this one recently. But anyway, this really important level is happening again, and this is right at 120. This $1.20 level is where buyers have been stepping in multiple times. We've been stepping in and hitting it, bouncing off of that level. And we are getting close to that level again. Tomorrow morning, I plan on loading more shares of this. I already have some. I'm going to get some more. And so I like this dip that's happening. Lots of different buy signals that I look for and different things of value kind of showing its head here. And so I like this for a quick move up, and I will be watching it and just kind of loading at this 120 level right in here. I like it right at that level, anywhere in the 120s. And so this one might be one that you like too. Based upon the stock, I'm going to be buying it going into tomorrow. I wish you all the best on the stock market. If you are looking for a lot of my callouts, all my callouts are in my private Discord, and you can find those and get access to those from our Patreon group. I so appreciate all of you who support me out there in my strategies and also support my research. And I enjoy sharing it with you, and hopefully you have been very successful with it over the years. And Raythoven out.